After 10 research animals at Purdue University died, a research watchdog group claims the university broke federal law.
News 18's Holly Campbell reports the group is seeking fines up to $100,000.
In late 2013, 8 chinchillas used for auditory brainstem response research died from a bacterial infection. And in January of 2014, 2 calves died when they were attacked by stray dogs. Those incidents sparked the group Stop Animal Exploitation Now to file a complaint with the U.S. Department of Agriculture.
Both of these things clearly could have been prevented by the staff at Purdue, and that's why we feel this is such an egregious situation and that the university deserves the largest penalty allowable under the Animal Welfare Act.
Executive Director Michael Budke is urging the U.S. Department of Agriculture to fine Purdue University $10,000 for each incident, equaling $100,000.
Since this is our tax dollars paying for potentially abusive and negligent situations, we believe that people in this country have a right to know what they're paying for.
Purdue Associate Vice President of Research Compliance Howard Zelaznik says a thorough investigation was launched following the death of the animals.
And we discovered what we thought was the problem, changed the procedures, and then the chinchillas have been doing fine since that time.
Zelaznik says a committee regularly visits research labs and monitors the health and well-being of all 18,000 research animals. They also notify the federal government of any deaths. In the case of the chinchillas, Zelaznik says they got the green light to continue their research.
They were satisfied with our report and with our procedures that we implemented to mitigate the possibility of future death to the chinchillas.
The university also has made improvements at the farm where the calves were attacked.
They suggested that we improve perimeter security so that animals could no longer get in underneath the fence, and we took that suggestion to heart and improved the perimeter security.
Despite the approval from the federal agencies, Budke says he will continue to urge the U.S. Department of Agriculture to investigate the university
and decide if this was something where they were going to issue, for example, an official warning, which is essentially kind of a paper slap on the wrist, or if they were going to go through the longer and somewhat more involved process of levying a fine.
Budke says the investigation could take several months to complete. Holly Campbell, News 18.